I believe it's so far bad on the Democrats and the progressive and left-leaning part of the government and what they have done that I fear that the next move, and this is speculation, will be to release a real pandemic that will kill millions of people. That will be the only way that they can get any headway back at the other party, because our party is against vaccines and against freedom and lower taxes and this and that. And so the only way that they could get any ground back is to release something deadly that kills millions of us Americans and then say, I told you so, you should have been vaccinated. And I'm afraid that if we don't ramp up the speed of what we're doing in our federal government, that is a possibility, because it's their Hail Mary. And it's sad, but I believe it's the only truth that they have. I don't understand secret votes in the Senate. If we're going to be a nation of robust, strong men and women, then we lean on what I say is what I mean. I mean what I say. This is who I am. And there should be no secret votes in any Congress or Senate whatsoever. If we're going to be proud and say we stand up as Americans, then you ought to be able to stand up and stand on your vote as an elected official, because your constituents and the American taxpayers deserve to know what you're doing at work. We're tired of it. Get rid of that. Right? And there's this thing going around the nation with ICE. And it involves law officials and government people that are elected and mayors and all these around the nation that are openly saying that they will not assist ICE in anything. And they will not hold them in detainment or jail systems. No, we're just going to let them go. Well, that is defying the law and order of our nation. And I don't know, the next time I go to my parole office, I'm just going to tell him, nah, I'm not going to do that. The next police officer that tries to pull me over, no, I will not comply. I'm just going to keep on rolling and see how that works. Why is it that it works for you, but it doesn't work for me as an American taxpayer? If you so blatantly could just say to anybody or the law itself, and get this, you're wearing a badge, you're a law enforcement official, and you're saying, well, I'm not going to abide by the federal law, the law of the land, but you have to. We're sick of it, folks. You should be fired immediately and then prosecuted, just like we would. Yeah, I'm sorry, Mr. Arkansas State Policeman, but you have no authority here in my life. I'm not going to respect it. See how that works for you. You people that think you're above the law, I hope they hang the gallows around the White House. Fluid English.